Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 12.
When unsymmetrical alkene is subjected to acid catalyzed hydrolysis, CH3CH is always produced in major amount. Now let's say that we want to produce CH3CH2CH2OH in the major amount. That could happen. We as our desired product want this one has to be our major product. So by alkene, if we subject as a hydrolysis, the always major amount will produce this one. So we cannot find this. We cannot produce this one via this method. But then we have to find another method to produce this one as a major amount, which is the hydroboration oxidation of alkene methods, in which alkene, unsymmetrical alkene, when subjected to B2H6 and followed by oxidation of H2O2 in aqueous medium, if this mixture of reagent is used to react this alkene, unsymmetrical alkene, in that case this terminal hydroxyl group, this terminal alcohol will be produced in major amount. How? CH3CH double bond CH2 BH3 B2H6 is nothing but dimeric form of B2H3. B2H3 is the actual reagent that reacts, but in dimeric form B2H6 is the dimeric form of BH3. So actually the reaction will happen between the alkene and BH3, and the reaction that will happen is that CH3 CH2 CH2 B whole 3B will form. This will, after the oxidation of H2O2 in presence of NaOH, will give CH3 CH2 CH2OH. That B, 3 molecules of CH3 CH2 CH2 part will be moved out of the boron linkage, and OH will be added to them at the terminal position, because only terminal position is now open. So this terminal alcohol can be produced via this hydroboration oxidation method. Now how this thing is happening is that hydrogen in BH3 is added to this middle carbon and BH2 is added to this one, and by donating all 3 molecules of alkene, this one is produced, and then doing the oxidation via H2O2 in NaOH medium, this one is also being produced. So if we need to produce a Markovnikov product, that is this one, we need to follow the hydrolysis of unsymmetrical alkene. But if our desired product is anti-Markovnikov product, that is the terminal alcohol, in that case we need to follow hydroboration oxidation of alkene method. This is the last reaction of preparation of alcohol from alkene. This is oxymercuration demercuration reaction. This also advantageous for an unsymmetrical alkene. When unsymmetrical alkene is subjected to acetic salt of mercuric acid HgCOCH3 whole 2 in THF, tetrahydrofuran, and water solvent mixture, a mixture of solvent, that is tetrahydrofuran water, this is the mixture solvent is used, and followed by alkaline hydrolysis of NaBH4 in NaOH medium, is used, if these reagents are used on this one, in that case this is the alcohol that will be produced. Now you say that this is a bulky reagent. Yes, this is a bulky reagent. The mechanism of this is not included in the in our syllabus. That's why we are not going to go into the mechanistic study of this particular reaction. We just need to remember that there are two steps that is being followed. The first step is the mercuration. That is the mercury salt is going to be incorporated, and then the reduction part is happening. That is in the second part. The demercuration will happen via this reduction. So mercuration, oxymercuration and demercuration. By doing this mercuration and demercuration, OH group will be added to produce this alcohol. What is the advantage of this reaction, particular reaction, is that in our previous reaction where unsymmetrical alkene, this one was subjected to acid hydrolysis to produce alcohol. Mixture of alcohol was being produced. Still this one was being major amount, this one was being produced in major amount, but still mixture was being produced. In this case only one alcohol is produced, that is this one. So this reaction, oxymercuration, demercuration of alkenes are more useful compared to just normal acid hydrolysis of alkene, because in acid hydrolysis of alkene, though that one was an easier reaction, was producing mixture of product in which one was in major amount, one was in minor amount, but mixture of product was being produced. But in this case only one desired product is being produced, that is the yield of the product is much more. So if alcohol we need to produce from alkene, we get three different reactions. The first one was simple acidic hydrolysis, in which we were getting mixture of product, being that Markovnikov product was in major amount. But supposedly the anti-Markovnikov product we need to produce, that is the terminal alcohol. In that case we need to follow the hydroboration oxidation method. In that method we are going to get only one product, that is the anti-Markovnikov terminal hydroxyl terminal alcohol will be produced. If we want to produce only this one and in a way higher amount, in that case we need to do the oxymercuration demercuration reaction of alkene instead of normal hydrolysis of alkene. In that case only this one will be produced in a very much more higher amount.